portable juicer. Order ko sa Shein. So, portable. This is a portable juicer. Bungol? Well guys, so yan na siya, ganito. Ito talagang pinili ko guys kasi pwede kong madala-dala kahit saan. Anywhere you want to drink your juice, you can drink yan. Oh well, bagong laser para tayo ngayon guys. Tingnan natin. Naka-laser ang first. Oh well! Oh, ito talagang kapatid. Super. And I have my facial guys. Thank you for Lodi James for the love and care for me. So, ito, buksan natin to. Okay guys. Nakasealed pa talaga yan guys. Hindi ko talaga yan binuksan. So, let's open! Sesame! Titingnan natin kung ano talaga yung diferensya ng Shein guys. Kasi itong bahay namin, puro Shein na talaga guys. Alos, hindi na yung mga damit ng bossing ko, hindi na pa siya. So, here na guys. Ang cute niya guys, o boardable. Looks boardable guys. So, ready na talaga ako ganyan guys, mag-drink ng mga fresh juice, like fresh fruits, and like lagyan ko ng spinach, and so pilain. Lagyan ko siya ng spinach, kung may sayuti, diba? At saka lagyan ko ng banana, cucumber, saka kung may ano kayo guys, bili kayo ng look. Sealed na sealed talaga yan. Ito yung ano. Ito yung parang ano niya. Ulong yun. Then ito na siya guys. Yan siya guys.
Wow.
At ano, so ini manual guys, manual. Para tingnan natin kung paano gamitin. So let's see. Let's do our juicer. Yan siya guys. Ang cute niya, boardable like me. Guys, kapag nag-juice ka, yan yung ano niya. Then after, you will use the, kung gusto mong dalhin anywhere, you can put this for the counter, right? See guys, nice
Wow.
na.
Wow.
Portable juicer guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe my